Okay, so this is Parrotsville, the bird store, and it's in Clinton Township at 19 and Garfield. Here comes the birdie. Look at this one.
Oh, you pretty bird.
Why don't you kiss it? Stick your finger out.
Yeah. He said hi to me.
Are you posing?
Hi. See what you're doing. Hi.
Hi. How are you? They're intelligent, bro. Now that's an intelligent bird. Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you? Hi. I'm afraid he's gonna bite me. Hi.
Dancing.
Oh, that one, I left him. He wants me to come back. I think he wants me to come back. Hey, hey, hey. I'll come back. Hi. Hi. How are you? We're getting one now. Hi. What'd you say? Hello. Hello. Pretty bird. Say hello. 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 What was that? Step up. He's letting me pet him. Holy crap. He's talking to me. Ashley, this bird is letting me pet him. Look at this, watch. Hi, how are you? Oh shit, he just stepped on my arm. Oh, hey Ashley, he just stepped on my arm.
Yeah, he wants everybody to hang on to him.
So this is Louie.
Hi, Louie.
Very nice.
Hi, Louie.
Show off.
I walked away and he started screaming.
Hi, baby. Hi.
Is he being babysat right now?
Oh, he was, actually my husband bought him.
Do you care if I tape you?
Huh?
Do you care if I tape you?
Tape me? No, don't tape me.
Okay. Put your arm out.
He likes you just likes to have it. Come here. Here. You like to have it first.
Get your guys. What?
I want to get you petting him on camera. Oh, look at this one. Watch this. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come step up. Come here. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh shit. Hi. Hi. How are you? What? Hi. Hi. Well, I walk away and he starts yelling. Oh, come here. Come here. Hi. This is awesome. Hi. Let me see. What?
I can't get no. You gonna dance? You gonna dance? You gonna dance? You gonna dance? I can't get no. He was dancing when I was when, there he goes. That's what I say. I can't get no.
What? 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 Huh? Here, want to pet you? Aww. Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you? Aww. Wow.
And I'm coming right on back with a little David Bowie next.
Hello.
This Thursday at 3 p.m. Workforce members get their inbox rocked with another important message from CSX. Find out why Don Felder and Don Henley are fighting.
You're gonna Snapchat that?
Yeah.
Hello. Look at you.
Up. Come on. That little one down there is an attention whore. Oh wow.
This is head scratch.
Hi, come here. Come here. Where's he going? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Up. Ah. Look, he's surfing.
What?
Okay. I know. So we're gonna go inside of the Parrotville store and we're gonna look at some amazing funny parrots.